another episode of Everything Here. So let's get this glue out of this week and prepare it for an install. So here's my beautiful client. I'm just going to slick back her hair, then I'm going to begin my application of my glue. I'm going to do 3 layers and I'm just going to let it sit for some time and get dry till it's transparent and sticky. So here was my second or third layer. I couldn't really keep count because I wasn't really paying attention to my recording. So yeah. So after that, I'm just getting my wig fitted into her hairline. And then I got my elastic band to just keep it in place. I applied coil to the hair since I was going to go with kind of Babyliss coils. So here I was just asking her where she wants her side part to be, and here's after doing it. So let's get into the styling process. So not to waste your time, here's what the finishing looks like. So I was using this portable mini straightener, and I think it was just perfect for this particular hairstyle that I was doing. So I would definitely recommend or something better if you have. So yeah, so I was pretty much just giving it a nice coil on the side. So that's what I was doing. Herbs and the vapor. This guy is so tiny but it's so hot. So yeah, also always remember to use your heat protector. So yeah guys, we're just styling. So I was trying to make the video short so I don't waste a lot of your time. So yeah, that's what it looks like, and I use my holding spray to just hold the coils in place. So yeah guys, for the back of the hair, she didn't want it slick, so I just gave a little coils on the back as well, but not as much as in the front. I just wanted something that's not too smooth and just has texture to it. So that's basically what I was doing. And the cable of this thing is so short, guys, really stressed me a lot. But I did get the work done, and it was really good. So yeah. So after that, we're just going to apply our holding spray so it just keeps everything. And here's what her hair looks like. Just trying to get this out of her baby's face since she wants to leave her mommy's side. So yeah, so I was just trying to explain to her aftercare for install. So just giving her some little tips, you know. So after that, I'm just going to go ahead to make some tiny adjustments, and then I'm going to make sure I get rid of the glue and the listings residue on her scalp, her forehead, sorry. So yeah, so it was just some minor finishing touches I was doing, and just forget about the hairstylist hair, just ignore it. So yeah. So guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.